Hey Justin, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. Sheila spoke with my employee Haley and said that we could send you this video. So I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that you appear at the top of more customers' search results and can get more business. The reason we're doing this is because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I do understand the struggles contractors go through, but I also understand business owners are really busy trying to run that business and they don't have that spare time to sit in front of the computer all day and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring the business to them. And what we found is the biggest thing that holds business owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been lots of business owners that reach back out to us and ask for our help getting this stuff done. And we only look to take on one exclusive client in any service area, and that's because we don't want to compete with ourselves. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and you're confident we can deliver the results you're looking for on the return on investment you're looking for, go ahead and give us a call and we'll have a chat. If you want to take the information and use it yourself to make changes, that's totally okay. That's what this is intended for. So I'm here to talk about 3 quick topics, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. I'm looking at your homepage right now. You actually have a great looking site. The photos going through, you've got different phone numbers listed in service areas. None of the numbers are click to call. I do want to point that out. But you also have your contact form to get leads in. This is a great looking site. I love the green. It's not overwhelming. Now, the appearance of the site is for the customers. Google is not ranking your site based on the looks. Google is actually using bots called crawlers that are scanning all of the content you have within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the customer search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage, and then you want at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content to support it. When you have your site built this way, it's actually going to do 2 things for you. It shows Google you're an expert in the industry, and it will have Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers for you. An example of a keyword is Memphis roofing companies, getting quite a few searches each month. Now, when customers do any type of search, they're going to see this map pack. Notice I'm skipping over the Google ads, and that is because 70 some odd % of users actually have ad blockers, so they're not even seeing them. And the ones that are, my goal is not for you guys to use this video to focus on ads. I want you guys to get a better return on investment than that. The goal is for this, the Google My Business, as well as the organic. And so for this to be optimized, you're going to want to make sure that you get your company contact information in your photos and your website listed. Then you need to get your contact information into as many online directories as you can. You want at least 100 more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3 here. This is where customers will call the most. Keep in mind, this is geographic based. So having different service areas as you do, consider setting up individual listings for each area. Now, continuing down here, we're going to see organic search results. The top few sites get rotated by Google for the first position, but at the moment, these are our online directories. Your top competitor is Excellent Roofing, and they're also ranking in the map pack. So let's take a look at what they're doing. As you can see here, they've got a similar kind of designed site, different colors, but so with their site, the 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is going to help you beat them as far as content goes. But for the other side of things, we use this paid tool called Ahrefs. Now, this is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. So I can see your homepage has a ranking of 20, and your entire website has a domain ranking of 0.9. These rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is made by the backlinks. A backlink is when another site online links to your site and pushes traffic to you. This is a way Google gets competitive, so be careful. Not all backlinks are created equal. Before you link to a site, make sure that it is high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. I also want to point out that you have no meta tags, which is something Google is looking for as well. Now you have 197 links coming from 46 sites. And if we look at these sites, we're going to see there's a lot of zero rankings here, a lot of spam and junk sites that aren't helping you, and then a lot that aren't relevant to your industry. So Google is treating you more like spam, putting you lower on the rankings for keywords. Right now you're getting 327 keywords ranked, but you're not on the first page. And you do have 6 ads running. And I want to point out the highest search volume is actually for a competitor name, and you're paying $11 a click. And then you're also targeting South Florida roofers, which is $25 a click. You guys are not getting that return on investment you should with your ads. So I would take some steps to look at your ads and see what keywords you're trying to target. But all of this is giving you about 101 traffic on average a month. Now, if we take a look at Excellent Roofing, they have a stronger site. So we will search through their backlinks to find the highest quality ones and put them on your site so that you can get that same ranking. But then we're going to hunt down backlinks none of your competitors are using and put them on your site so that you can dominate the market. The goal is high 40s at least. Now they have 4,000 links coming from 320 sites. They have 1,000 keywords, and notice they're not using any ads, and they're actually generating 846 traffic on average each month. So even if it's only half the visitors of their site becoming customers, it's still 423 roof opportunities a month, and that's without doing any ads. So I just wanted to show you there is opportunity for your business to grow and get more customers without doing ads, and just get a better return on investment. You just need to know how to use Google's language to get pushed up on these searches. Quick recap. You'll want at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content. Then you want to get GMBs set up for each service area and get your contact information into as many online directories as you can, and go get high quality backlinks that are high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry, and get your meta tags done. With these steps, you'll be ranking #1 across Google. I know it's a lot of information. I'm sorry the video went a little long, but if you take this and apply it yourself, that's totally okay. Like I said, this is free education. My team is really just looking for feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value when we send out these videos. But if you did want help getting this stuff done because you see the value in it and you guys don't have the time to do it yourselves, that's totally okay. Go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and see if we're a good fit, and we will look at taking you on as our exclusive client for the Tennessee area. And we'll make sure your phone's ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you're looking to get more people on your crews. Now, Haley will follow up in the next few days just to get feedback on the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it and letting us send it to you guys. I hope you got good value out of it. Take care.